Hey, this is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can take the Astra starter site that they built specifically for LearnDash courses into LifterLMS. It's a pretty simple process to take this online course themed starter site and work with LifterLMS using the same template layout that Astra provides here. Astra Starter Sites is a free plugin that you can install that gives you a jump start on creating your website by creating this layout for you all automatically, and then all you have to do is change the links, change the text, and change the image. But it formats everything for you, and we're going to dive into how you can use this template with LifterLMS in this video. So what I'm going to want to do is head to the back end of my site, head to Plugins, Add New, and I'm going to search for the Astra Starter Sites plugin. We'll go ahead and install and activate the Astra Starter Templates plugin right there. Alright, awesome. So now that that's active, I can go ahead and see library. And this is a little demo of how Astra Starter Templates works, but I'm going to go ahead and just say build my website now. In my case, I'm using the block editor, the WordPress editor, but if you're using Beaver Builder or Elementor, you could select those options as well. We're going to go ahead and select the Academy, the LearnDash Academy site here. I can go ahead and upload a logo. I have a logo downloaded from the LifterLMS brand assets here. So let's go ahead and download my logo, and then I'll just upload my file right here. Cool. I'm going to select that as my logo. We can see it up there in the corner. Go ahead and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Then continue. I'm going to stay with the default colors, but if you wanted to change the color scheme, you could do that as well. Changes the buttons and a few other items on the website. I'm going to stick with the default blue here. And if you wanted to select a font, you could do that as well. It has these required plugins missing, but we're just going to say skip and start importing. And then if you wanted to fill out this form with some survey information, you could do that as well. Say I'm an expert building a site for myself, and we'll install the Astra theme, import some widgets, and some custom content. Alright, awesome. So it's going to take a minute to build my website. Just going to go through and import pages, import a few plugins, and it's going to install the Astra theme for me and get all of my pages formatted. I'll be back in 1 second when this is done. Alright, awesome. So we got the congratulations screen here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click view my website. Perfect. So it took me from a blank WordPress install to having all of my content here installed on my site. Now we'll realize we have some shortcodes on here that aren't populating any content. Because on my website here, if I were to go back to my WP admin area, we'll notice I don't have the LearnDash plugin on my website. I have the LifterLMS plugin. So we're going to want to change out a few shortcodes, like this ID course list category. So this is just displaying a list of courses on my website. LifterLMS has a shortcode to do the same thing. If you head to lifterlms.com/shortcodes, you'll find a full list of shortcodes available in LifterLMS. The one I'm looking for is number 15, courses. So if I click on that, it's going to jump me down to this courses area, and I want this LifterLMS courses shortcode there. I'm going to go ahead back to my website, edit my page, and I'm going to replace this shortcode with the LifterLMS one. If I scroll down, let's go ahead and replace that with the LifterLMS shortcode and click update. Now if I view my page, we should see my LifterLMS course populates right there. Then if I head to the all courses page, we should see the same problem. All we have to do is edit the page and change the shortcode, and we'll be good to go. Change that shortcode, update, view page, and there we go. There's also a My Account page with a few shortcodes that aren't showing any options currently. So I'm going to go ahead and edit that page and put on the LifterLMS My Account shortcode, which is number 20. Edit my page. We'll just remove some of these that we don't need. we just need our single shortcode for the LifterLMS My Account, update my page in View, and there we go. We've got our LifterLMS My Account page all set up. Now, the only other thing you would have to do is make sure to rerun the setup wizard, the LifterLMS setup wizard, and that will create a few required pages for you, like the LifterLMS course catalog, student dashboard, and membership catalog, along with checkout. Now, when I installed the LifterLMS plugin before this video, I already had those pages set up. But if you don't have those 4 pages set up, you'll want to head to LifterLMS Status, Tools and Utilities, and then rerun the setup wizard, or return to setup wizard. That will create those 4 pages automatically for you. It won't override any of your course content, but if you don't have those 4 pages, make sure those are set up. But that's all you need to do in order to take the LearnDash starter site and convert it over to a LifterLMS starter site that you can use for your online course or membership website to get it off the ground with a jumpstart by having all of that content and layout imported for you. My name is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.